Hello everyone, Max here, coming up with the next video. In this one I would like to show you a quick and easy way how you can order your items on CNFans. It's so simple. It does take like a couple of seconds literally, and then I will show you real quick how it's done. Anyway guys, be sure to use the links down in the description to sign up to CNFans. You have a ton of different spreadsheets down there in the description. You can find such amazing shoes for a very attractive price, and many coupons as well. So yeah, be sure to just go to the CNFans and sign up immediately. So yes guys, this is how it all looks like. As you can see, I've got a product that I want to order, and by the way, these guys are very high quality one-to-one AirPods. I highly recommend you guys buying them. They're literally the best. I have the link down in the description as well. And yeah, let me just buy it. So let me select an item. I want this to be the silver model, and I also want the quantity to be 2. As you can see, the price is immediately updated, so that's nice as well. Here you can actually go to the Elf Merchant Factory and see more of the products that they sell. You can see the products, how they look like. You can just translate the images if you want to, so that's even better. And yeah, here is also the specification and many other tabs that you can find before just purchasing an item to describe the product, so you can just see. And yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let me just click on check agree and let me purchase this thing. So let's click on buy now. You can actually add this thing to the cart and then add some maybe other products and then purchase them all in bulk, so that's also a very cool option as well. Let's click on confirm and let's see the product. You can see you can actually add more products here with value add services if you want to, but I'm not going to use it. And let's proceed to the checkout. And now you can either pay using your balance, or you can actually pay with your debit card if you want to, Google Pay, Alipay and Skrill. So there are many options to choose from. I am going to pay for my orders with the balance. So yeah, let's do it. Let's pay for it. And as you can see, now the amount is just updated on your balance. You can see that 1,000 funds were deducted from my account. So just like this, you make orders and complete your payments. So yeah, you can either shop more, or you can just search, or you can just browse through your orders if you want to as well. Here as you can see is my order is pending. And yeah, this is how it all looks like. And once the product do come to your warehouse, this is how they look like. You can see everything, you can see how they look like. You have the QC pictures, you can check if you like the quality, you can return the products even if you don't want them, so that's just great. I like it a lot. And yeah, you have the description and everything, you have all the products, the QC pictures of course. So that's how you order the products on CNFans. Later in the next video I will show you how you can submit your orders and how you can just send your packages out to your address. So actually that's a very important topic as well, if not even more important. So be sure to just follow up to my account and I will post such a video soon. And when shipping out your orders, don't forget to use the coupon codes. As you can see, you can get up to like $21.64 US off. So yeah, that's very good. $20.5 off your orders. There are many different coupons on CNFans, so be sure to just use them. And yeah, that's pretty much it as for today's video. I hope that I helped you, and yeah, stay tuned for more content like this coming up in the future. See you in the next one. Bye.